students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject is English of Standard 3rd and title of the poem is After School. Yes, this is 25th poem. Okay, and what is the meaning of after school? You can see this picture. See here, these students, they left from the school. Means after school hours. Okay, we will go through this poem. This is our school. This is a school building, isn't it? Okay, now first we will go through this poem. See dear children, this is a page from your textbook. Okay, the page number is 56. Now this poem has 2 stanzas, isn't it? See, this is first stanza. Okay, this is first stanza. It has 4 lines. Okay, we will go through these 4 lines. Yes, although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day. Okay, these 4 lines are there in the first stanza. Now this is second stanza, right? Okay, here we will read. And off we go to play and romp, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself. But then, perhaps, she doesn't mind. Okay, these 4 lines are in second stanza. Okay, now we will go through one by one. Now here you can see the picture. The teacher is standing at the door and children left. School hours over. The school left. Children are very happy. They are running, correct, from the school. Okay, we will go through the meaning of this poem through the stanzas. After school, although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day. Yes, dear children, the meaning is although. This meaning is even though, in spite of. Okay, although we like to go to school, हमें स्कूल जाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Okay, then also we are rather glad to put away our books, our slates and other things when it is over for the day. Yes, we like our school, we like to go to school, but we are glad, we are happy, we become happy when the school leaves. Okay, when the school finishes. School time ends and we put away. Okay, put away means we keep away. Okay, we discard or we keep away. What we keep away? We keep away books, compass means other things, the slates, bags, pencils, eraser, everything we put away. Correct? You go to your home and you keep each and everything in one corner. Right? And you relax because school is left on that day. Means school is over for the day. Correct? Yes. Again we will go through. Although we like to go to school, we are rather glad to put away our books and slates and other things when it is over for the day. Yes. You too. Correct? The same thing refers to you too. You like to go to school, but you love to leave the school after school hours. You become very happy when you leave the school for that day, isn't it? Okay. Here, away. See the word away and day. These are rhyming pairs, isn't it? See the sound away, day. Correct? They rhyme with each other. Got this? Okay. We will move to the second stanza. And off we go to play and romp, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself. But then perhaps she doesn't mind. Yes, and off we go to play and romp. Means what we do after the school hours? We go to play. We become energized. Romp means energized. Okay, we get all energy to play. We use our energy. We play energetically. Right? While teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself, but then perhaps she doesn't mind. She stands and she leaves us in a line. Correct? She is good and kind, but she doesn't think anything about this all. She remains in the class and she leaves us. Correct? And she doesn't mind this matter. She tells us to go. Yes, correct? She leaves the children and she remains and she waits in the class. Right? This is all about the poem. Here also we can see the rhyming pairs kind, mind. Got this, children? The meaning of this? Once again we will go through. And off we go to play and romp, while teacher, who is good and kind, is left behind all by herself, but then perhaps she doesn't mind. Okay, she leaves us and she remains there, she waits there and she doesn't mind our actions. We play, we energetically we play, then also she doesn't mind. Okay? Now here, see here the line, we are rather glad to put away. See this V apostrophe R-E. Okay, here V apostrophe R-E. This is the contracted form of VR. VR is expanded form of V apostrophe R. Okay. Here the meaning is we are. How to read? We are rather glad to put away. Got this? Okay, one more sentence is there. Sorry, one more line is there. But then perhaps she doesn't mind. Here also we can see the contracted form. This we will write here. Doesn't. Here also we used apostrophe. Correct? This is the expanded form of this is does not. Okay, here doesn't. This is does not. The expanded form is does not. How to read? Doesn't. Okay, here doesn't mind. Got this, children? Okay. Now we will go through some points before school hours, during school hours and after school hours. What the child do, we will go through. Okay, see this. Before school hours, I will show you the daily routine of you children. Okay, what you do before the school hours and what you do during the school hours and what the children do after the school hours. We will see here. before the school hours. Okay. Now here we will take the example of this girl. We will name her Sonu. Okay. Sonu got up early in the morning. She is fresh. She has good sleep. So she became fresh and she is getting up. And then she brushes her teeth with the help of toothbrush and toothpaste and water. She cleans her teeth. Then she takes bath with the help of soap, water and towel. Correct? She cleans herself. Then she cleans her hair with the help of comb. She is combing her hair. Then she had breakfast. You can see in the breakfast she is having fruit, sandwich, juice, healthy breakfast she is having. After that, she packed her bag. She is putting everything whatever needed for the school. Books, scale, pencil, eraser, everything she is putting inside her bag and she is packing her bag. Now she reaches school in her proper uniform along with the friends. Right? These are all activities she does before school hours. I hope same activities you too do before school hours. Am I right? Okay. Now she reached the school. Now we will go through the different activities during school hours. Yes. All children, they are sitting inside the classroom. Right? They are very happy. You can see here. Okay. They are ready to study. They are ready to learn new things. Yes, here teacher is explaining about the studies. And all children, you can see, they are eager to listen. Some children, they are ready to give the answers. These are all activities you do during the school hours. See here. They are playing or some running race. They are participating. Here you can see the yoga class is going on. They are following the teacher. Correct? Now, here you can see they are drawing. Like all these activities you too do, isn't it? During school hours. Here, midday meal is going on. They are having food. Yes, the school leaves. They say tata bye bye to the teacher and the children, they leave for their home. After school hours, what the children do? We will go through. This is the third stage of the day. See, children left from the school. Yes, they are going. They are moving to their house. They reach their house. Then what they do? They put away all the things. Bag, notebook, pencil, eraser, everything they put away. And they become ready to play. Right? You can see in this picture. They move to ground. They play along with their friends from their locality. You can see here. Or some children, they go to garden and they play on the rides according to their age. Or some play with their pets. And some play indoor games. You can see here the children, they are playing chess. That is indoor games. They like indoor games, so they are sitting at their home safely and they are playing indoor games. Here you can see they are jumping in the water. They want to swim. This scene you can see near village side. We cannot see this scene near Mumbai or in Mumbai. Right? Means they enjoy after school hours. Literally they enjoy. Yes, here this is from your textbook. What work does the teacher do? Now we gone through about the children. Correct? Different activities of children before school hours, during school hours and after school hours. Now we will move to teacher's side now. Here what is asked? What work does the teacher do? Yes, dear children, the first thing is at the beginning of the school year. Second, when she arranges the picnic. Third, when she conducts examination. Yes, you know that teacher is there in the school. She only is responsible for her class. She takes care of her children. She makes them learn. She tells them moral stories. She takes each and every responsibility of her children. Right? Okay. We will go through what work does she do at the beginning of the school year. Okay. Now see here. This is teacher. What all she thinks we will go through. Now we will take the example of a third standard teacher. Okay. Now she is thinking, what am I teaching? How will I teach it? Means one subject. We can take English. Okay. She is thinking about all this. How will I teach this lesson? And who am I teaching? And how will I know if the students understand? Yes, so many questions will be there in teacher's mind. She goes through the syllabus of that class before the school begins and she prepares lesson notes. You know lesson notes? She prepares lesson plans and she writes each and everything in her notebook. How to take the lesson, what all projects she want to take and what all activities she can take according to the syllabus. How she can make the studies enjoyable. All these she thinks before the school begins. And she keeps in writing each and everything. Okay. And after that, when the school begins, she teaches different subjects by using the students' interest. She thinks how students will become happy and how students understand this subject. That method she tries to follow. Some days she takes activities. Some days she uses storytelling. Correct? Some days she uses different tools, teaching aids, right? Like that she tries to make the things understandable to the children. And second point is when she arranges the picnic. Yes, when she arranges the picnic, her responsibility is more because she has to take the full care of her children while going on that spot, and safely she wanted to bring all children. Correct? Now here we will go through. See here, she is studying about that spot or the picnic place. She wanted to take the children. She is taking each and every information of that place, about the entry fees, about the rides, about the food, water and safety. Each and every information she takes of that place. Then she instructs each and everything to the children. What to bring, what all the rules to follow, how to behave, how to be friendly with the other children. That all she gives instruction before day of the picnic. Then she arranges bus and she takes children to the picnic spot. Here she makes children play, dance, enjoy the picnic. She tries to make children happy. She observes each and every child. She takes care of each and every child. She gives them proper food, water, and everything whatever they need. She explains the new things to them. Right? And in the evening they all come back or return to the school. Now children, we will go through the third question, that is when she conducts examinations. Yes, you know that whenever the teacher wants to conduct the examinations, she has to prepare the question paper. Right? According to the standard, according to the subject and according to the level of the students. Right? Now you can see here she is preparing the question paper. She is typing the question paper on the computer. Can you see here? Okay. She checks each and every question. She verifies the spellings. Right? Yes, our question paper is ready now. She takes oral examinations too. During oral examinations, she asks simple questions and she wants to get the answer for these questions. Right? And during written examination, she gives question paper and she supplies the sheets to write the answers. And she supervises the examination hall. Right? And after the examination, she checks the answer sheets or answer books. See, dear children, teacher has so many works. She is fully dedicated to the children. Right? She takes full responsibility of the children during school hours, and she wants to give proper knowledge to the children about the subject. Correct? Yes, this is all about our poem After School. Bye bye children. Take care of yourself. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.